So Avery's gonna do his second snack pack that he received.
From 2 out of 3 left.
Yeah, and there it is. I don't know what country it's from.
Asia.
Asia? Yeah?
Asia.
I think you're right, Avery. So there is a lot of different items here. What are you gonna try first, Avery?
Let's see.
Okay. So it looks like maybe like a cracker with some spice. What's it smell like? Onion, maybe?
The rice cake.
A rice cake. Okay, what flavor is it? What does it taste like? It's got some black on there. What do you think? Does it just like taste like a tasteless rice cake?
Yeah.
Yeah, no taste to it? Okay. Right, I don't think those black items were a spice. I think they were...
Egg flavor.
Look like they were more like drawn on. What's this?
Egg flavor.
Egg flavor. Ooh. Okay. Alright, so you gotta show me what it is. We gotta do better at presenting. Okay. Looks kind of like an egg roll. Looks like it's like a cracker. Does it taste like egg?
It tastes sweet.
Sweet?
Oh.
Well, there's a lot of different spices, it looks like, in there. That's the same thing.
It's chocolate flavor.
That one's chocolate flavor?
Today is the year of the snake.
It is. It's the Chinese year of the snake. Is that the same thing?
It's chocolate flavor.
Oh, this one's got... Oh, I see. That is different. Ooh, looks like there's chocolate inside. Ooh. That looks good. How is
I
it?
was watching the kids.
Yeah?
It's filled with chocolate.
Yeah, so it has to be good, right? Anything with chocolate's good. What is that? Show it.
Great.
It looks great. Is it like a jelly? You must have to twist it. Did you twist it off? Just don't spill it all over you. I don't think that's how you do it, honey. So this is interesting. It looks like grapes. Avery's gonna get the scissors and we're gonna snip the top off. Is it juice or jello?
Juice.
Juice. So it's like grape juice. Yeah. How is it?
Ooh.
Oh, it definitely is a juice flavor. I mean, it's like consistency of water.
It's like that orange drink.
Yeah. You're making a mess. Huh? That's different. Alright, what are you gonna try next? That we gotta make. That's a soup. Let me see. We'll make that.
Instant noodles, sweet and
Look
sour
at that.
noodles.
YY brand instant noodle sour soup flavor. Okay, we'll have to make that separately.
They also have green tea.
Ooh.
Japanese green tea.
Let me see. Bless you. Alright. That'll have to be done later too. That looks like a fortune cookie.
Fortune cookie.
Alright, why don't you open that up? He got 2 fortune cookies that came with his
You can hear the
snack
king.
pack. I believe Grandma Pat got you this one. Avery, not the teeth. Oh, you gotta read your fortune inside too. What's it say?
A person's character is his destiny.
Ooh. Very good.
What is Ali's fortune?
I don't know. How is it just a typical fortune cookie? Yeah. I like fortune cookies. Sounds crunchy. Alright, the next time he's trying is a coconut cake with white cream in the middle. So it should be like a cakey consistency, I would think, Avery.
Oliver wants kids.
Or a puff. It is. It's like a cake. Kind of looks like an angel food cake in a way.
Coconut.
Coconut. I like coconut. That's a good one? Yeah. At the end, he's going to pick which one's his favorite out of all of them. Okay, what are you going to do next, Avery?
The chocolate.
Okay. The real milk. Candy, chocolate. Maliki. Milkata? Milkata? Okay. Is it a hard candy or more like a taffy? What do you think? Like a Tootsie Roll? Maybe like a Tootsie Roll? What do you think? Clean off your beer. Okay. Like a Tootsie Roll? Yeah. Maybe a little harder than a Tootsie Roll, but it's very similar. Yeah? Cool. Alright, Avery, what's next? That one doesn't have anything on it to tell you what it is, so it's going to be a mystery item. When you open it, you gotta tell me, is it like a cracker or a puff? Looks kind of like a... Ooh, like a cookie? Is that like another rice cake? Yeah.
The caramel.
Oh, caramel rice cake. Okay, what are you doing next? Which one?
The sugary thing.
Okay.
What is that noise, Mama?
I don't know if they are mowing.
The kids are acting
Maybe
crazy.
mowing the lawns, the HOA.
The kids are acting crazy.
Yeah, they're on recess.
Recess.
Yeah. That looks like another, what do you call it? Rice cake. What flavor is that? Do you know? They're all nice and crunchy, they seem. You like your crackers and your crunchiness, so clearly you like that one too. Oliver! He hears the kids.
Oliver loves the kids.
Yeah. I gotta pack these up again. It had rain, so we cover the couches and the chairs with the tarps. Alright, what do you think? What's next? Show that one. What is that? It looks like it's... No? Cookies? Okay, they look kind of like crackers to me, but... I wonder if they're gonna be like a vanilla flavor. They're thin, huh?
Coconut flavor.
They're coconut? Does it taste like coconut?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So you have 2 coconut flavored items. It says it's a cracker.
Ollie likes
Thin crackers. Everything is crunchy. What are you gonna do? You got 4 more items.
No, not that.
You're not gonna do these?
You can
Okay.
have
Oh, I can have them. Thank you. Oh, look at you. Get stickers. Stickers come with them. Okay.
Oh,
I like coffee
sticker
candy.
party. I'm not a big fan of marshmallow filling.
Okay. Alright, so you have snack seafood flavor or
The Ollie flavor.
stick biscuit. It doesn't say what flavor. Excuse you, Avery. Yucky. Doesn't say what flavor. Which one are you gonna do?
Did you videotape the...
Yes, I did. I got your burp on it. That's brought to you by Avery's Burps, brought to you by D&G Explorers.
He's happy.
Ooh. They're in shapes of things, no? They look, oh, they're in shapes of dinosaurs, okay. I hear a crunch. Do they taste like seafood?
I know.
You like your seafood flavored chips. They kind of taste like seafood, not like a really strong flavor. Well, clearly he likes them. Gonna eat them all. They're dinosaur shaped, you see? You're eating dinosaurs. Alright, we got one more. We've had this in another snack pack. It's just 2 wafers, chocolate with the marshmallow inside. I'll probably have that. And Avery doesn't do coffee candy, so I am gonna have those. They are hard candy. Go ahead.
Chili powder.
Oh boy. They gotta be like potato sticks. That's what the... Yeah, they're like kind of like... Are they hot? Not too sure. What do you think? Are they hot?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, he's gonna have some more of his grape drink. Okay, so out of all the things you tried, what one was your favorite? These ones, really? Coconut thin cracker. What is your least favorite? This one? This one didn't have a taste. Okay. What do you say to everybody?
Thank you.
Yeah. And you have how many more snack boxes to do?
3 more.
3 more, so there'll be more coming as we get through them. Bye, everybody. He's looking up at you. He lets you do anything to him. He's such a good boy. Huh? He's like, okay, all done.